Hello friends, welcome you to my YouTube channel English Literature Test Series with Rekha. This is my fifth video. I have already uploaded 4 videos of this test series. If you want to see, click on I button that is showing in the upper right corner on your screen. Link is also available in below description. So friends, let's start. Question 1. Who was the first recipient of Sahitya Academy Award for English? Raja Rao, Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Bhabani Bhattacharya. The right answer is Mulkraj Anand. Next question. Dash of Shakespeare are examples for the comedy of manners. A. Love's Labour Lost. B. Much Ado About Nothing. C. Both first and second. D. Twelfth Night. The right answer is Much Ado About Nothing. Next, Hardy, who created Wessex, is known as a national novelist, regional novelist, religious novelist, none of these. The right answer is regional novelist. Next question, who wrote these famous lines? A heavy weight of ours has changed and bowed. 1, 2, 3, tameless and swift and proud. A. Shelley, B. Chaucer, C. Arnold, D. Wordsworth. And the right answer is Shelley. Shelley wrote A Heavy Weight of Ours, Chained and Bored, One to These, Tameless and Swift and Proud. Shelley was born in 1792 and died in 1822. Okay, next. Who defined poetry as the rhythmical creation of beauty? A. Hazlitt, B. Pope, C. Carlyle, D. Hudson. The right answer is Pope. Alexander Pope defined poetry as the rhythmical creation of beauty. Next question. Like the 18th century wishes, like the 18th century writers, very few romantics were supported by the marking of their books. Identify them. Wordsworth, Scott, Byron, both B and C. And the right answer is 4. Both B and C means Scott and Byron. And Byron and Walter Scott, both are the answers. Next question. In which of Shakespeare plays do these lines figure? The lunatic, the lover, and the poet are the imagination all compact. Twelfth Night, The Tempest, Midsummer Night's Dream, none of these. The right answer is Midsummer Night's Dream. Next question. Shaw's play Arms and the Man contain a satire on love and A. War, B. Sex, C. Family, D. Peace. The right answer is War. Shaw in The Arms and the Man contains a satire on love and war. G.B. Shaw is creator of the drama of idea and the drama of social criticism. Okay, next. Rape of Lock is based on A. Romance, B. A smaller matter of the court which led to a great quarrel between two families, C. Greek tragedy, D. French folklore. The right answer is B. A small matter of the court which led to a great quarrel between two families. Next, Pope was a. Who was Pope? Alexander Pope was devotee of literature. Next question. Who said, There is no essential difference between the language of prose and that of the material composition. A Wordsworth, B. Arnold, C. Eliot, D. Keats. The right answer is Wordsworth. Next question. Who was it that defined romanticism as addition of strangeness to beauty? A. Shakespeare, B. Walter, Peter, C. Pope, D. Bacon. The right answer is Walter Peter. Walter Peter defined romanticism addition of strangeness to beauty. Next question. What kind of poem in Milton's Lycidas? A. Elegy, B. Epic, C. Lyric, D. Ode. The right answer is elegy. Milton's Lycidas is a pastoral elegy. It's important you should know pastoral elegy. Milton's Lycidas is a pastoral elegy. मिल्टन की जो लिसिडास है वो एक पेस्टोरल एलेजी है. इट्स अ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड इट वॉज रिटन इन मेमोरी ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड एडवर्ड किंग. जो किसकी याद में लिखी गई थी? एडवर्ड किंग. उनका फ्रेंड था एडवर्ड किंग, उसकी याद में इन्होंने लिसिडास लिखी थी. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट. विच ऑफ दीज इज नॉट अ प्ले बाय बर्नार्ड शॉ? A. Canadian, B. Arms and the Man, C. The Skin Game, D. The Philanderer. The right answer is The Skin Game. The Skin Game is not Shaw's play, and the others all are Bernard Shaw's play. Next, the age of Pope is also called the Restoration, the Augustan age, classical age, age of sensibility. The right answer is the Augustan age. ये क्वेश्चन शायद रिपीट होकर आ गया, मैं पहले पढ़ा चुकी हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द रोमांटिक कॉमेडी द स्पेनिश गिप्सी by Thomas Middleton bears some similarities with Shakespeare is A Twelfth Night, B. As You Like It, C. All's Well That Ends Well, D. A Midsummer Night's Dream. The right answer is As You Like It. The romantic comedy, the Spanish tragedy, bears some similarities with As You Like It of Shakespeare. Next, who was it that compared Dickens to Shakespeare, who can, with a phrase, make a character as real as flesh and blood? A. Matthew Arnold, B. Raymond Williams, C. I.R. Richards, D. T.S. Eliot. The right answer is T.S. Eliot. Sorry friends, the right answer is T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot compares Dickens to Shakespeare, who can, with a phrase, make a character as real as flesh and blood. Next question. Dear son of memory, great hire of fame. This has been shared by Milton about Spenser, Shakespeare, Chaucer, none of them. It's a very famous quote. You have to know. Very, very, very important. And the answer is Shakespeare. Milton said about Shakespeare, dear son of a memory, great hire of fame. Next question. What could be the tragic flaw in Hamlet? A. Noble inaction, B. Oedipus complex, C. Valuing ambitions, D. None of these. The right answer is noble inaction. Noble inaction could be the tragic flaw in Hamlet. Next, Wordsworth's view, something far more deeply interfused, suggests the romantic spirit of A. Something more than what is derived from everybody observation. B. Something more than the sanction of the majority view. C. Ideas against the material and common sense view that dominated in the preceding period. D. All of three. And the right answer is C. Ideas against the material and common sense view that dominated in the preceding period. Next, Marlowe simply prepared the way for the master who was to follow. Who is the master referred to in this remark? A. Shakespeare. B. John Webster. C. Thomas Middleton. D. Ben Jonson. The right answer is John Webster. Marlowe simply prepared the way for the master who was to follow, John Webster. Next question. He passed the flaming founts of place and time. This has been said about Milton by. किसने कहा था मिल्टन के बारे में? ग्रे, ब्लेक, बेन जॉनसन, पोप. And the right answer is Gray. Next, I am certain of nothing but of the holiness of the heart's affections and the truth of imagination. Feeling and imagination were elevated by the Romantics to the level of apprehending and communicating truth. As the above lines indicate, who wrote these lines? Wordsworth, Byron, Shelley, Keats. The right answer is Shelley. Shelley wrote these lines. Next, when was The Recluse by Wordsworth published? And the right answer is it was never published. The Recluse is great philosophical poem. Uh, this is a poem written by Wordsworth but did not published after his death, whether a large number of work was published in 1850. Next, the poet is called an ode when it is a song of lament and mourning. B. It is full of music and emotions. C. Its style is lofty and dignified. D. It has 14 lines only. And the right answer is its style is lofty and dignified. And the Shelley's Ode Master. Who is Ode Master? Shelley. Shelley's Ode Master. Next, who wrote Daffodils? Keats, Pope, Gray, Wordsworth. Very easy and important. The answer is Wordsworth. Daffodils poem was written by William Wordsworth. Next, when was the first book printed in England? 1384, 1456, 1475, 1477. The right answer is 1477. Who said the proper study of mankind is man? A. Dryden. B. Dr. Johnson. C. Shakespeare. D. Pope. The right answer is Alexander Pope. Next question. Man is born free, but he is everywhere in chance. Who said this? Rousseau, Hegel, Plato, Karl Marx. And the right answer is Rousseau. रूसो भी बोल सकते हैं इसे, रूसो. Next, the lyrical ballads was written by Wordsworth, Wordsworth and Coleridge, Pope. The lyrical ballads were written by Wordsworth in 1798 and 1800. Written in collaboration with Coleridge is Psychological Theory, Humble and Rustic Life. इतने डिटेल में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैंने नॉलेज के लिए बता दिया. बस इतना याद रखना है कि लिरिकल बैलेट किसके द्वारा लिखी गई थी और कब लिखी गई थी. आपको बस इतना पता होना चाहिए. ओके फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं। ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।